Today we have launched a document called Vidiyal Enge. Where is the light? And this document is evidence-based, where the DMK government, before coming to power, had given 505 promises in their election manifesto, saying that when we come to power, we will fulfill all of these promises. And unfortunately, after 50 months of their rule, they have fulfilled only 12.94% of their promises. They have promised 505 promises, out of which they have fulfilled only 66 of them, and another 66 partly. So totally out of 505 promises, they have fulfilled only 439, which comes to 12.94% or 13%. So DMK government has failed miserably in its promises, in its administration. A pass mark for a state is 35 or 40% in an exam. DMK government has got only 13%. It is not my allegation, it is the allegation in this document which is evidence-based. And our Chief Minister, Mr. Stalin, has been repeatedly saying that they have fulfilled 98% of their promises, election promises. It is shameful that a Chief Minister can blatantly lie to the people of Tamil Nadu repeatedly, even though Tamil people had given them mandates, huge mandates, in the last 3 elections. Namely, in 2019, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry gave DMK and his allies 39 MPs out of 40. And in 2021, brought DMK government to power. In 2024, they gave them 40 out of 40. 100% they gave them mandate. With these 3 huge mandates, and they have nearly about 11 out of 18 Rajya Sabha MPs. What more do they want? They have their mandate, they have their MLAs, they have their power, they have their rule, they have their MPs in both the houses. And after having all these, they failed miserably with only 13% of their promises. Atrocious. I strongly condemned the DMK government for lying to the people blatantly, and again lying, saying that we have fulfilled all these. I dare the Chief Minister or any ministers or anybody from DMK to have a debate with me in an open stage. I will be there. We will debate on what you have promised and what you have achieved. I dare any of from the DMK. And PMK has again and again launched, issued more than 47 documents for the welfare of Tamil Nadu in India, and this is the 47th. But this document is a different one, saying that this shows threadbare the lies of the DMK government. And I kindly request my friends on the media to share this, not for any politics, just for the development of Tamil Nadu. And that's the whole point, where they could have brought in so many acts, so many laws. For example, Right to Services Act, where so many states, they have that act. And if they bought that act, you don't need, the CM need not act today. When I say act, in inverted commas, acting, which it does every day, saying that Ungalodan Stalin, Engalodan Stalin, all these things, it need not be there. What is the need of some camps having some camps, and people going to those camps and giving them their demands. If you have a Right to Services Act, online you can apply to this and you will get the services. There are some states have 54 services. Some states have 65 services in that act. And here we have a toothless government not doing anything and not knowing anything. So that is why this document, that it has not dawned yet in Tamil Nadu, and I'd like to share this document with friends from the media. Thank you.